Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a room tour. This is the last place I will be staying before I move in. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about what it's been like living here. I kind of have my makeup set up over here and my cat toys up here. This is my journal. And I got this cute lamp from my friend. She got it for me. She didn't really like it because she didn't like the aesthetic, so as we walk over here, this is my bag that I keep everyday items in. I'm trying to keep it neat and organized before I have to leave. This is my makeup bag. In here is my hair bows and my phone stand. Those are the shoe box. Down here is my tripod and cosplay stuff, so my wigs and some cosplay props. This is the bed area. I have my little ghost that I got from my neighbor. She's super sweet. And then over here I just have my daily meds, like vitamins, my remote and my charger and my little keychains. So I've been setting up here and charging my laptop, and then in here is just daily items I can't show you because it's personal. And my little daily pouch. It's been nice just hanging out here for, I'd say, a month and a half. And then we go over here, and it's my little picture and the air purifier, and my TV is over here. I actually moved it a couple times from the old place to here so I could watch TV. And then over here is my clothing. So towels, daily essentials, cleaner. I have some chips from the picnic that I didn't actually get rid of, so I have a little bit of snacks. And then over here is my mirror. I really like this full-length mirror. It's pretty. I have my socks and all my other clothes here. This is actually the unboxing for the special 200 subscribers special. I just haven't unboxed it yet. I've just been leaving it in the corner. And then over here is just my shoes and the heater and my everyday bag. I have been using this thing so much. I love it. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, and this is my little room tour before I move to the new place. So please stay tuned for that upcoming video, and I will see you loves later.